Hey, this is Athena Brownson. I'm here today in Denver, Colorado, where we are at local business Ink Monstr. We're going to be discussing, interviewing with the CEO and founder, Reed Silberman, and really learning about how he's been able to pivot and adapt his business given the very historic and scary time that we are currently experiencing. So let's go meet Reed and learn a little bit about what he's doing. Should we do this?
Oh, yeah. Okay. Boom. How are you?
Good. How are you?
Doing good. Doing good.
Thanks so much for having us today.
Thank you for coming over.
So why don't you tell us a little bit about where we are? What do you do?
Yeah. Welcome to Ink Monstr.
Thank you.
Ink Monstr. We're a large format digital printing company. We do lots of interior wall murals for hotels, commercial businesses, retail businesses, home decor, and we also do cut and sew apparel manufacturing.
So honestly, it's been inspiring to watch how you have taken your business and pivoted given the current circumstances and the landscape that we're all facing throughout the country. So why don't you tell me a little bit about what you've done, what challenges you faced, and how you had to make a really snap decision?
It's been just insane how we've had to get really creative in how we could utilize the tools that we have here to keep people employed.
Absolutely.
So we came up with the face mask idea about, I want to say almost 3 weeks ago now. And I'm not the only one who had this idea, obviously, but within 4 days, my team had prototypes, printed samples, a marketing plan rollout,
wow.
And within 4 days, we were selling masks. And I was able to bring people back into the shop safely. We've perfected it in the past 2 weeks, and now we're getting flooded with hundreds of thousands of units being ordered, thousands of orders, people from all over the country, all over the world. So we're looking for more seamstresses. That's been the part where we've been really having a huge challenge, is finding skilled seamstresses to run the machines. And most people have been super supportive, the local government, other businesses, people like yourself, everyone's been really encouraging and supportive.
You've done an amazing job though. I mean, so personally, when Reed told me he was making these face masks, I said, why don't we figure out a way that we could fundraise so that we could buy a bunch of masks, support small business, and then donate them to healthcare professionals. And you also doubled everything.
And we matched your order.
So thank you.
So yeah,
from
my
the
pleasure.
bottom of our
I mean,
heart,
if you're doing what you are doing, then that enables me to match your order.
Yeah.
We all
take care of each other.
We're helping each other.
Why don't you show me around a little bit, and
sure.
maybe we can take a look at some of the seamstresses.
Yeah, follow me.
Cool.
So this is our sewing area and installation bay.
No way.
Yeah, so this is how it comes off the printer.
This is crazy.
Isn't this cool?
Yeah.
We print the fabric, and then this all gets cut, and the seamstresses sew everything into garments.
So you can pretty much do any design that
yeah, it's all
would
digital
want.
printing.
Okay.
So you can do any type of artwork or pattern or design.
Wow.
And we just drop that onto our digital template.
Okay.
Print the fabric. Doesn't matter, whatever you want, as creative as you want to be. Typically, we have all our seamstresses in one area. It's the most efficient, so that's also a challenge, is having them spread out all over the building.
Yeah, for social distancing.
For social distancing and to be safe. So that slows down our production time, our assembly line style production, when we have people spread out all over the building. But again, the blessing is we're working.
Yeah.
And we're hiring. That's the most important thing. Number one for me is making sure that my employees are taken care of. And if I can keep hiring more people, especially in this time.
Oh, it's incredible.
That's kind of my goal.
Well, it's been amazing to see what you're doing, how you've been able to pivot and adapt, and I really appreciate you giving us a tour today. If I want to learn more about Ink Monstr, where should I go?
Yeah, inkmonstr.com, and there's no E in Monster.
Okay.
And all our social media is at Ink Monstr. We're filling orders as fast as possible.
Perfect.
I know there's a huge need and huge demand, and we're doing the best we can.
Thank you for all you're doing. It was
Yeah,
good
you're
to
welcome.
see you.
Virtual hug.
Well, thank you so much for joining me today as we were able to interview local business owner, dear friend Reed Silberman here at Ink Monstr. really understand how businesses like his and others throughout the country are finding ways to be creative and adapt given the current historic circumstances that we're facing. I think number one, let's keep each other healthy, let's be safe, but let's also find different ways to support one another. It's been really refreshing to see how Reed is creating an impact for his employees and community here at Ink Monstr. So thank you so much for joining us today on American Dream TV, and I really look forward to seeing you next time. Stay safe.